Segment your audience. Sending an email blast to your entire list may work from time to time, but your chances of generating sales with your email campaigns are the highest when you create personalized content designed for individual customer segments. You surely have heard about the Pareto rule. 20% of your customers generate 80% of your sales revenue. Hard to believe? Then don't take my word for it, just verify it. Identify the key segments, for example, your most engaged subscribers or those with high RFM score, see how much revenue they're generating, and target them with your email campaigns separately. If you can't find these customers, then stick to the segments you can think of right off the top of your head. The chances are you know your audience so well, you'll identify the best segments without additional research. If your email content hits the right tones, answering your customers' needs and wants, you'll see an upward shift in the results. Wonder what kind of results you could expect? Our study has shown that emails containing personalization in their body had 18% higher email click-through rates. But it's likely that you'll see even higher results if you nail down your segmentation. If you feel you're ready to start running effective email programs, to build and segment high-quality lists, design high-converting email templates, continuously test and optimize your campaigns, I've got good news for you. You can do all of this inside of one single tool, and it's completely free, no credit card required. If any of that sounds interesting to you, just sign up for a free trial of GetResponse and start making some real results.